You're crouched in the damp twilight, trying to get a spark to catch. Your modern lighter has failed, because of course it has, but that dried cattail stalk next to you. It's practically begging to be lit. Mainstream fact, the Blackfoot people called cattails the torch plant for good reason. The dried flower heads contain enough oil to burn steadily for 10 to 15 minutes, perfect for lighting your way or transferring fire between camps. Quirky tidbit, some tribes used cattail torches for night fishing, the flickering light attracting fish like an ancient dinner bell. Historians still debate whether this was effective or just made for really good storytelling around the fire later.